As the saying goes, Jamaica is not a real place. As I have been saying for a while now, us Jamaicans, uno Jamaicans, are not real people. And today, we have a few videos proving that Jamaican are real and Jamaicans are real. But now waste no time, we're gonna laugh and we're gonna chat a little bit. Just a little bit.
Afternoon teachers, my name is Dana Sutherland and I am a student from 11 Integrity. My group SB, what the f*** you push your head in and something?
Listen, I was never expecting that. Speaking so eloquently. I'm from English, not to Spanish, but to raw patwa. She give me, don't push your head in that lady video. You see me, I say, next time you gonna get a slap in your head. Watch out now. The man who love football. What is style name? All expected a goal right this up. After such a fabulous, magnificent play, man really, hey, the goalkeeper bad still, but he shouldn't score. In number 7. Now, this is a piece of video. You know what? Let's run it. Now to chat it.
Ready? Let's go. Sprint! Full on! Full on! Lift your leg. What?
Even trainer trying to be professional, she almost Lego to B class, R class, C class, every class. What kind of running that, brother? But as a sprint, must it feel like a Usain Bolt. You can get the power of Usain Bolt and waste it right there. So, I know I have a very, very good laugh. You know, I laugh out loud, the tears probably there on the eye, but guess what? Before you continue watching, just like the video. By liking the video, you're helping me, you're helping the channel, because YouTube ain't pushing, ain't promoting, ain't doing ish. Thank you. Let's continue laughing. They have a song or a saying, don't you know who fi frighten. As me always I say, as a little boy growing up, and them I tell the dopey story, the rolling calf are the wickedest dopey. But in my opinion, the wickedest dopey is a live dopey. Watch and know. Oi! Go check for brother Desmond. Go check for brother. Go and check on brother Desmond. That was not nice. That was really not nice of them to prank brother Desmond like that. Brother Desmond could have died. Could have had a heart attack. Anyways, growing up, I think I said this already. As a young youth, two set of men them used to perform oral sex on women. The uptown man them, them on them front long time. From the year they them knee. And the old man them were always there bar. The old man there is then choppy cane and going Friday evening. A matter of fact, their wife have to come pull them out of the bar. Them man they always there bar with the little young bartender them, and then drink and drink and drink. And the bartender they always can them growing at the back. Or on the counter. And the old man they move and peer the bartender them to eat front. Me know. But we live now a different time now in Jamaica. Rasta on them front. Well, Rasta the man in front. Long time to get them green card. Me gosh, I'm if you forget that. But anyways, the Rasta them brawling now. Them a do it all in the middle of this.
Name Rasta, name. Name Rasta. On the light post to Bumbuck Clark. Tongue out in blood clot, my friend.
Hey, boy, Rasta they did hungry. But then Rasta couldn't stop a KFC. I've never seen them sitting there, not even a PORN. I'm gonna watch PORN. Honestly, I don't. Anyways, boy, a long time I see them my phone. It had to be a Rasta have this a peanut dread phone. Anyways, watch what I go on now. Bobo say, by any means necessary, he have to catch a video of the great one Messi. Hold them Bobo on your peanut. At least you did it them. Rasta saying have to catch a video of Messi, the great one playing soccer on Jamaican soil. Football in a Jamaica. Yeah man, say boss just pop out in peanut phone and record that. Hold them Rasta. And can't tell us they never watch Messi live yet. Me no remember what the video about, but we gonna watch it and laugh. The boss I pull up on his 600 or 1,000. Alright, hold them no bigs. Easy bigs. Go on bigs. Watch out, bed, brother. I know your bedroom there, I dance today, but yeah, move still. If you're a big boy, yeah, move. Hey, any girl big sketch tonight, dead, you know. Problem. Of course, in the know, say me take out the song. My apologies. But the boss can dance, man. The boss can ride bike too, man. The boss bad, man. The boss can do anything, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, bigs are bigger. But we not drink him, though. Listen here now. Jamaican street interview. Where they can ask some weird question. And then can get the funniest answers. Let's watch and laugh.
What kind of animal is Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse, not much a cat, man.
What kind of animal is Mickey Mouse?
A rat.
What kind of animal is Mickey Mouse?
Bombard. A bunny?
Mickey Mouse is a bunny. Come on, man. Come on. That's not Mickey Mouse. That's, what the next one name? Bugs Bunny. Mickey Mouse. Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Jamaicans, we are not real people. Anyways, this a video though. They put filter upon the old grandfather. Watch what go on there.
Wait, what going on?
The oldest.
Are you?
Oh, I think I'm in a week for me. I'm in a way to back at them. It's a makeup thing when I come to me with, man. This is not going to start me.
Are you?
Don't have to come off about me, yes.
What the?
I want to
I'm me this, look. See there? I'm me that. So you that? That me like you.
See somebody on us like a moose.
I'm me. I'm me that. So you that?
Oh, God. So I don't know, decorate the picture song.
No, I phone. I see him when you look.
How would the grandfather that? Yo, take a filter off a grandfather. Grandfather say, yo, in a weird wig and in a have them a hat. I can't him this. Who this? That was funny. Anyways, last video. Put it on the channel already, but I'm just gonna put it again. Stay away from kids, even if you're not putting a porridge or soup or make brownies. Cause if you don't stay away from it, me no want nothing for make me laugh so. Me no want nothing for make me skin out so or skin over so. Me no want nothing for make me behave so. I don't even drink that much. I don't smoke. Is my life boring? No. But anyways, we've come to the end of another video. Hoping you guys like it. If you like it, like it. If you like it, share it. If you like it, comment. Comment which of the video is your favorite video. And yeah, stay safe. God bless.